need a space to glow. Yeah, and it's so obvious we've got the space in our time. Yeah, that is why we've got Deg Beauty right. Yeah, don't give it that touch, don't give it that. Don't give it that feeling, don't make you feel lovely. Yeah, yeah.
Anywhere you go, you need some makeup, love. Deg Beauty.
In case you need your Gele to be tight.
Deg Beauty. Looking good and looking nice. Deg Beauty.
Don't miss the opportunity, just call on Deg.
Deg Beauty.
Carry me they go, Jehovah carry me they go, the beauty house.
Carry me they go, Jehovah carry me they go, the beauty house.
Carry me they go, Jehovah carry me they go, the beauty house.
Carry me they go, Jehovah carry me they go, the beauty house.
Carry me they go, Jehovah carry me they go, the beauty house.
Carry me they go, Jehovah carry me they go, the beauty house.
Carry me, carry me, carry me, carry me, carry me they go, the beauty house.
Carry me they go, Jehovah carry me they go, the beauty house. I'm so blessed with the blessings of God. I'm so blessed with the blessings of God. Anyone I touch surely must be blessed. I'm so blessed with the blessings of the Lord. Anywhere you go, you need some makeup, love. Deg Beauty.
In case you need your Gele to be tight.
Deg Beauty. Looking good and looking nice. Deg Beauty.
Don't miss the opportunity, just call on Deg.
Deg Beauty.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, for those persons that think that Deg Beauty is only specializing makeup and hair, now let me shock you. Ha. We in Deg Beauty studio, we are also specializing traditional bridal hairstyle, makeup products. We also produce oil perfumes. We have a professional photo shoot studio where you can do your professional photo shoot and also do some creative artworks. Now let me bust your brain and bust your dada. Hey, we also train people for makeups, Gele time, and a lot more. Just call on Deg Beauty and she'll be right there with you. She travels worldwide, international connection. She's there, always available. Ever me rapa for ba ogo, ọba terere. Kárí ayé.
Everybody look, see what the Lord has done.
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 Look, see what the Lord has done. We love you. All the Deg Beauty fans in the world. Deg Beauty is sending bunch of love to you all. Receive love, receive beauty. Ragabambo.
Anywhere you go, you need some makeup, love. Deg Beauty.
In case you need your Gele to be tight.
Deg Beauty. Looking good and looking nice. Deg Beauty.
Don't miss the opportunity, just call on Deg.
Deg Beauty. Anywhere you go, you need some makeup, love. Deg Beauty.
In case you need your Gele to be tight.
Deg Beauty. Looking good and looking nice. Deg Beauty.
Carry me they go, Jehovah carry me they go, the beauty house.
Carry me they go, Jehovah carry me they go, the beauty house.
Carry me they go, Jehovah carry me they go, the beauty house.
Carry me they go, Jehovah carry me they go, the beauty house.
Oh, Samudia me, oh, say no me ye me, oh I, Jesus do ke mudia ni me fo, oh mudia no ma ayete, megide, no Samudia now, oh I, no Samudia now, no Samudia now. your gele to be tight.
Deg Beauty, looking good and looking nice. Deg Beauty,
Don't miss the opportunity, just call on Deg.
Deg Beauty, anywhere you go you need some makeup love. Deg Beauty,
In case you need your gele to be tight.
Deg Beauty, looking good and looking nice. Deg Beauty,
Don't miss the opportunity, just call on Deg.
Deg Beauty,
Carry me they go, Jehovah carry me they go, the beauty house.
carry me they go, Jehovah carry me they go, Deg Beauty house.
Carry me they go, Jehovah carry me they go, the beauty house.
Carry me they go, Jehovah carry me they go, Deg Beauty house.
Carry me they go, Jehovah carry me they go, the beauty house.
Carry me they go, Jehovah carry me they go, Deg Beauty house.
Carry me, carry me, carry me, carry me, carry me they go, the beauty house.
Carry me they go, Jehovah carry me they go, Deg Beauty house.
Jehovah, you are the most high. Jehovah, Lord, you are the most high God. Jehovah, Lele, you are the most high. You are the most high. You are the most high God. We lift your name. We lift your name. We lift your name. We lift your name. Shout hallelujah. Shout hallelujah. Shout hallelujah. Hallelujah. We lift your name. We lift your name. We lift your name. We lift your name. Shout hallelujah. Shout hallelujah. Shout
Lord has done. Everybody look and see what the Lord has done. Everybody look and see what the Lord has done. Everybody look and see what the Lord has done. Everybody look and see what the Lord has done. Everybody look and see what the Lord has
We love you. All the Deg Beauty fans in the world. Deg Beauty is anybody of love to Allah. Receive love, receive beauty. We love you.
Anywhere you go, you need some makeup love. Deg Beauty,
In case you need your gele to be tight.
Deg Beauty, looking good and looking nice. Deg Beauty,
Don't miss the opportunity, just call on Deg.
Deg Beauty, anywhere you go, you need some makeup love. Deg Beauty,
In case you need your gele to be tight.
Deg Beauty, looking good and looking nice. Deg Beauty,
Carry me they go, Jehovah carry me they go, the beauty house.
carry me they go, Jehovah carry me they go, Deg Beauty house.
Carry me they go, Jehovah carry me they go, the beauty house.
Carry me they go, Jehovah carry me they go, Deg Beauty house.
Oh, Samudia me, oh, I say no me yemume, oh I, Jesu to yemudia ni me fo, oh Samudia no ma ayete, megide, no Samudia na oh,
Hey day,
oh I, no Samudia na oh,
hey day.
no Samudia na oh, yeah, no Samudia na oh,
Anywhere you go, you need some makeup love. Deg Beauty,
In case you need your gele to be tight.
Deg Beauty, looking good and looking nice. Deg Beauty,